Hey man, we back at it, man. Brand new YouTube video. I'm in the gym right now, so I apologize for the noise, bro. But you could change your life in just 30 days. Just 30 days. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to make your next month your best month. You see, a lot of people, they get stuck in a mindset when they have been seeing no results in something for so long. So for example, in the gym, right? You feel like you're at a standstill, right? So when you feel like you're at a standstill, your habits and your day-to-day, you're less motivated to do the things that you know you have to do. You know you have to get up early, you know you have to eat clean, but instead you want to eat fast food because you haven't been seeing results, right? So since the results are stagnant, right, your habits, your daily habits are descending in quality, right? So then what you're seeing is your progress starts to descend, right? So how do you get out of this mindset? See, this is something that I had to deal with because I just started boxing like a year ago, and it took me a while to even get okay, right? So what you have to do is adapt the mindset of visualizing yourself at the end of a goal, right? So what do I mean by this? You have to visualize yourself winning. Visualize yourself 3, 5, 10 years from now. Think about where you're gonna be. Don't think about where you're at right now. And then move on a day-to-day as if you're already at that point. In my mind, bro, I'm already at 100,000 subscribers. I don't care what the sub count says. I don't care what the follower count says. I don't care what the views say. In my mind, I'm already at 100,000 subscribers. In my mind, I'm already a millionaire. In my mind, I don't care if my bank account is in the negatives. I don't care if it's 1,000 in my account. I don't care if it's 10,000 in my account. I don't even care if it's 50,000 in my mind, I'm a millionaire. So I'm gonna force reality to catch up, and that's what you have. In your mind, you're already the best, bro, or sis. You're already the best. You just gotta force reality to catch up. You gotta force reality to understand where you're actually at mentally. And then eventually it'll catch up, bro. Why do you think all the best, all the greats, they always have the mindset of, I'm the best, nobody's better than me, etc., etc. That's the mindset you gotta have. See, I'm sick right now. I'm dead sick, right? But I had to make a YouTube video because I understand that, hey, bro, I'm at 100,000 subscribers. I gotta go hard for my fans. That's my mentality, even though I only have like 800. So, that is short. I just keep this video real short, bro. If you want to change your life in the next 30 days, start acting like you already have it. Start acting like you already have those millions of dollars. Start acting like you already have all the riches that you want and things like that. And then you're just grinding hard to maintain these things. That's how you get it, bro. That's how you get everything you want out of life. By literally just acting as if you already have it, right? That's how you change your life in a month. By acting like you already got everything that you want out of life. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of a noisy gym, but I hope you guys like the setup. It's something new. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.